Hey guys, welcome back to All Under Alyssa. If you're new, hit that red subscribe button, hit the bell over by the red subscribe button to get notified when I post new videos. So, my social media is also down below if you want to add me on Snapchat and follow me on all my social media. So, let's get right into the video. So, I got a new tripod, and that's how I'm like moving this and stuff. We're doing a full enclosure clean for Levi today. He seems really excited. Kind of. So I'm gonna get it at a different angle, and we'll start. So yeah, this is another angle of his enclosure, and I short on because I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments about that. So I'm gonna fold my shirt up real quick. There. So yeah, Levi, say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Hi guys. Say hi. Yeah, so we're doing a full enclosure clean. Just gonna take out his rock. See, his rock is real dirty. We're gonna go clean it. So, his rock is in here, and we're gonna use this to clean it. We could just use some Pet Safe. It all needs to be Pet Safe. We need some warm water. Okay, so I'll unpause it whenever it's clean. Okay, so I'm done cleaning them, so I'm gonna go put them back in his cage. Okay, so I cleaned his cage, and he has treats. Some treats for him. He has some carrots, and he has 6 crickets. Oh, the cricket's trying to get in his water bowl now. See that? Get him, buddy, get him. Say lick. Say lick. Get him, buddy. Well, he just wants to say, we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Oh, you like that cricket? Yum, 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 yum. Well, he says goodbye. Good job, buddy.